Zippo again with another quick tip. Small engine quick tip this time. If you guys have got engines that are, sitting around, stored on the shelf and whatnot, a practice that I always get into and make sure that I do is I rotate the engines over after I've ran them for a little while or what have you. I've got a stabilizer in the gas tanks. Try not to keep too much fuel in them. That's one thing if they've got their own tank. But something else that I make sure that I do is I rotate the engines over to where I know that very little resistance. I know that I'm not on the valves. The cam is not trying to open or has one of the valves partially open. Especially with older Briggs engines, the valves, especially the exhaust valve, have a tendency to stick in the up position. Just doing that simple thing after you're done running the engine, just roll it over to where you've got no resistance, where you know that all you're doing is moving the connecting rod and piston up and down, and you're not trying to open valves with the cam lobes. Then you are golden. You shouldn't have any valve sticking problems, or at least reduce the valve sticking problems. If when you go to start it up again you do have a little bit of a rough spot, then you guys can reference my video on the old Flora Fire Department gas engine in my B10 that had a stuck exhaust valve that was not completely stuck, and see how to remedy that. And you can remedy it simply just by taking the muffler off. But that's it. This is Zippo's quick tip. Later. I'm out.